So clean bench. You can twist it like this. You form an N shape or a letter, and then you twist, or you can split it in half. And then I like to flip upside down because more than likely you will get two different thickness on either end. So this end is a lot thicker than this end. And by splitting, turning this upside down, when you twist it, both ends look roughly about the same once it has been baked. If we twist it like this, you will see a slight bulge on one end. So you make an X in the middle, and then you can start from either end. You can twist towards you, a couple, and then you pinch. Then we're going on the reverse, like that, like that, like that. We pinch, we lift, and we drop. So this is going into our lined tin. There you have it.